as the sun was setting o'er the bright May meadows of Shelmalier, a rebel hand set the heather blazing and brought the neighbors from far and near. Then Father Murphy from old Kilcormac spurred up the rocks with a warning cry. Armand, he cried, for I've come to lead you for Ireland's freedom. We'll fight and die. He led us on against the coming soldiers, the cowardly yeomen we put to flight. It was at the Harrow the boys of Wexford showed Bucky's regiment how men could fight. Look out for hirelings, King George of England. Search every country where breathes a slave for Father Murphy. From the county Wexford sweeps o'er the land like a mighty wave. At Vinegar Hill, o'er the pleasant Slaney, our heroes vainly stood back to back, and the O's at Tullow took Father Murphy, and they burned his body upon the rack. God grant you glory, brave Father Murphy, and open heaven to all your men, for the cause that called you may call tomorrow in another